Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M2 in GTA 5 Online. First, understand that the BMW M2 is represented by the benefactor Schlegen GT in the game. To acquire this sleek sports car, you'll need to access your in-game phone or computer. Make sure you have enough in-game currency, as it typically costs around $1,300,000. This car offers excellent performance and a stylish look for your virtual garage. Once you're online, open your character's phone or a computer in your apartment to access the internet. From there, navigate to the legendary Motorsport website. This is the premier destination for high-end vehicles in Los Santos. Browse through their extensive catalog until you locate the benefactor Schlegen GT. Click on it to view its details and proceed with the purchase. After completing your purchase, the benefactor Schlegen GT will be delivered directly to one of your garages. Head over to Los Santos Customs to truly make it your own. Here, you can explore a vast array of customization options, from engine upgrades and brake enhancements to paint jobs, spoilers, and wheel designs. Personalize your ride to reflect your unique style and dominate the streets of Los Santos. To get the most out of your new benefactor Schlegen GT, consider investing in armor and security upgrades at Los Santos Customs. This will protect your valuable asset from other players and NPCs. Also, participate in various in-game activities like races and missions to earn more money, allowing you to further enhance your vehicle. And hey, for a spotless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.